In this week's video,
and we're gonna do one more check. Pretty much spot on. Here is the new and improved fit. Definitely one of those ones that you don't want to mess up.
Dan built his very first cabinet.
Well, crap. Oh, don't say that. Come on, man. Did the clamps move or something? Oh my God. Well, so we may have cut it wrong.
Keep watching to see how we turned our 4-burner RV oven that we scored for $60 into the cutest little storage cabinet. And don't forget to subscribe to follow along on all the chaos. Welcome to Bussing on a Budget.
Alright. Seems good to me. Let's do one last sanity check. We're going to be cutting it this way. So the saw blade itself, the thickness will be this direction. So wherever we have it set, it's going to cut up to this edge. So that distance is 1 inch and 3/16. We want to cut off a 1/4 inch, so it is set for 1 inch and 7/16 on this ruler, which doesn't actually start at 0. Tighten the clamps. Final clamping. Alright, here goes. Tons of blowout. Good thing that is the bottom side. Well, crap. You've gone a little bit too fast on the saw. And we just got some blowout on the sides. So, here is the new and improved fit. So, theoretically, the top will hopefully be a perfect 20.25. What do you think? What do you think we're going to get?
I think you're gonna get it.
Oof. We got close. 20 and 30 seconds. Oh, just below it is 20 and 1/4.
The front?
Yeah, just below in front of it is 20 and 1/4.
That's what's gonna have the door on it too.
Mm-hmm. So maybe the back is just a smidge. So we're only like a 30-second off. I'd consider that good. Good in my opinion.
We framed the oven cabinet with OSB plywood because it was a cheaper option and wouldn't be too visible. And we went with a nicer looking 3/4 inch plywood for the inside shelf and cabinet doors. This was a pricier option, but we didn't need to buy too much of it.
We're gonna cut some wood tonight, hopefully. Make a cabinet board door for the stovetop. So we've got some wood options. I think we need like 21 by 20 or something. This one looks nice. That's big enough, I think. We'll use this one for the doors. Next up, we're going to map it out and get the measurements right on it. So we're aiming for 21 inches by 17.75. We're going to use the straight edge that we have. We're going to clamp that across the board using the 90-degree square. We'll do the same thing for the other side. Cut it twice with the circular saw, and we'll have a board that is the right size of the cabinets. Alright, we're going for 19.625, so that is 19 5/8. So it's what, 19 3/4. And we're gonna do one more check. Pretty much spot on. Check the other side. Definitely one of those ones that you don't want to mess up. Alrighty, so I double checked the math and it is correct. Got half done, one more cut to go. So this should now be 21 inches. Oh, don't say that. 21 and 7/8. Come on, man. Did the clamps move or something? No, it's 21. It's 21 and 7/8. Alright, so technically it is 1/8 of an inch too narrow. So it should be a little bit wider. I don't think I'm going to worry about it. It does mean I think if we want to cut at 16.125, we should actually do 16.25. So let's see what the square says. Sounds pretty bad. Oh, man. Feeling in your hole. Okay, that one is actually square. It fits for the most part. It's not perfectly square, but you know, what do you do? I don't know. Let's just cut it arbitrarily. One last double check. Oh my God. Well, so we may have cut it wrong. Alrighty, so a good amount has happened today. We got the stove installed almost. Still gonna run the propane line. Those holes. Yeah, that'll be the propane line, propane connector. Then we'll have us a stove. Alrighty, so we are cutting a hole for the propane line. We gotta find it on the bottom. Hopefully it fits into that small little box. If not, I may move it over and cut a hole into that small little box because that seems like a good propane tank box. Guess we probably should also make sure it's actually big enough. So let's go see. There is the wire. So that means our hole is right up there. So this is the closet I'm talking about. You know, is it big enough to actually fit a propane tank? I don't think so. At least not the barbecue one that we have. Yeah, I think we'll keep it in this box. This way we can put it right up there against that wall, use that. Got the tubing, propane tubing through. So we have the stove in place, squared and mounted.